Jai student, this is class 9 chemistry class. So this is the lockdown time due to the COVID-19. That's why school has decided to take our online classes. Okay, student. So one thing I just suggest you, please keep a safe distance from a person, and time to time you should clean your hand. Okay. So for chemistry part in class 9, the chapter 1 is matter in our surrounding. Okay, so this the title should suggest the thing matter in our surrounding. That means first question come in every mind is the what is matter. And another thing I should suggest you, please make a dedicated copy for a chemistry class. Okay, anything I just teach you in a class, you should note it up in a notebook. Okay, student. So you know what is matter. The matter you write, okay, in a notebook also. The matter is which is anything, which is anything that occupies some space and that have a definite volume and definite mass also. Okay, so the matter is consist of the so many type of particle. The infinity number of particle they are consist to each other, which give a one matter. Okay, so this thing there is a total three type of matter in our surrounding generally. First one is solid, second one is liquid, and third one is gas. The recently some state is discovered. So if we just consider this discoveries, the fourth state of a matter is known as plasma state, and the fifth state of a matter is BEC state. That means Bose-Einstein condensate. This thing you should write in your notebook also. Okay, student. So there is some characteristic property of a matter. So in this one, there is a solid, there is a liquid, and there is a gas. Okay. So in these cases, the solid has some properties. This is the characteristic property. Solid must have a definite shape, solid has a definite volume, solid don't flow, and solid must be the so closely packed. That's why solid are also called a rigid structure. You should write it up in your notebook also. Okay, student. Rigid structure. And there is another thing. This is the incompressible. If you just force in any of the solid object, you cannot compress it because the particle are highly closely packed. Okay, so these are the some characteristic property of a solid. This thing you already read in our class 7 standard also. Okay, So there is some characteristic property of a liquid. They don't have any definite shape. This thing already true, but it have a fixed volume. It is a fluid, that's why it can easily flow and little compressible. And as compared to solid, the particle in case of liquid are loosely packed. Okay. So there is some characteristic property of gas also. Okay, this gas. Okay. So we just consider this one. It has no definite shape, no can easily flow, highly compressible. Okay. So and too loosely packed. That's why due to the diffusion, it readily move one position to another position. So that's why the random movement of a gas particle. You write it up in your notebook also. When this is the particle of a gas is randomly movement occurs. This random movement is known as the Brownianic motion. Okay, student. So if you just consider there is the one example. Let's see there is the water in a beaker. This one is the beaker, and you just add the some salt. That time is ready the gel worker. Why this is gel worker? Because the water particle, that means liquid particle, they are loosely packed, so the intermolecular space between the water molecule is enough to occupy this position by a salt particle, that means solid particle. That's why the dissolve readily occurs. So you should remember this thing. This point you have to remember this one. When dissolve the salt particle, the salt get into the base of our water. So if we see the pictorial representation of a, okay, pictorial representation of a solid, liquid, gas. Okay. So this one is the pictorial representation. Solid has a definite volume, means highly closely packed. This one is the somehow loosely packed, and this one is a too loosely packed. So with respect to the solid particle arrangement, we are classified in a solid. The first one is, should write it up in your notebook also. The solid has a two type. First one is crystalline solid, and second one is amorphous solid. We just see this here, the arrangement of this particle. Okay, the arrangement of a solid particle, the arrangement of a solid particle. Here if we just consider, see, this is the definite arrangement. That's why this solid is known as crystalline solid. So what is crystalline solid? If a particle of a solid is arranged in a definite manner, which is known as the crystalline solid. Okay. So this thing I already discussed. What is matter? Okay. There is some characteristic property of a particle. The first one is particle or matter is continuously moving because their kinetic energy high, and as compared to the continuous movement, the interaction between a particle, the intermolecular interaction between a particle in case of solid is high. That's why the random movement is strict. So but in case of gas, they're continually moving, so the kinetic energy is high. Here what is kinetic energy? The energy which are associated with the moving of any particle are known as the kinetic energy. So if we just rise in temperature, the kinetic energy also increases. That's why the movement also increases. The second point is that the particle, this one, the particle, there is a space between them. So the intramolecular, I already told this, the intramolecular space in case of, you should write it up in your notebook also, student. The intermolecular space in case of solid is very much low. After that the liquid is moderate, and in case of gas there is the high intermolecular gap or intermolecular space is high. And the third point, in case of solid, the intermolecular attraction between the particle high. So intermolecular attraction high, that's why the gap is low. But in case of gas, there is the intermolecular gap become very much high. So this thing I already discussed. So the space between the particle, this thing in case of minimum, in case of, this is the very vital, these three, the space between the particle in kinetic energy is minimum for a liquid, no, for a solid, intermediate for liquid. The force of attraction become very much high. This thing I already discussed. Okay, so in a next class, this thing you know. So in a next class, I will start the state of a matter, what is the exact state, how the matter exist in a physical state. Okay, so see you in the next class. So another time, I just suggest you stay safe and stay at home. Don't go outside unnecessary. Okay, student. So thank you.